Yes. Can you say
Yes,
something?
sir.
Who didn't join? Hannah didn't join, and
Yeah, sir.
Sam. Sam is in a holiday. He is traveling. Okay. So today we gonna learn about the section formula. Yesterday we learned about distance formula. Now today we will learn about section formula. So put a heading of section formula in your notebook. My apologize that I was late, but yeah, today we'll start the section formula. So everyone, turn on your camera, please. Then only I will start the class. So now it's not because of me, it's because of you. We are late because you didn't start the camera. Okay? Okay, yes or no? Joshua, you are because of you, class is late. You're not turning on your camera. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Okay. So we were learning about section formula. So in the section formula, like for example, there are two lines. There are two coordinates, A and B. So this coordinates has x1 comma y1, and this coordinates is x2 comma y2. So there are two coordinates are there, and this line, this line, it's divided through the point P, through the point P. Like for example, this is P point, and the coordinates is x comma y, and the division is in the ratio of m1 upon m2. Now there are too many terms are there. Now there is too many terms are there. So I'll repeat it again. Please pay attention. Don't write, okay? There are two coordinates making a line. So the two coordinates are x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2. Now there is a point P which has coordinates x comma y in on that line, such that the it divided into two equal ratio, m1 is to m2. Did you understand? No. I'm repeating again. One more time I'm repeating. There are 2 points A and B having their coordinates x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2, and P is the point which has coordinates x comma y. It's divided into m1 and m2 ratio. So in this phrase, what we learned that x1 comma y1, these are the coordinates of A. Okay. Okay. x2 comma y2, these are the coordinates of y. X comma y, coordinate of P, m1 and m2, ratio. These are the ratio. So to find the value of this x, which x? This x. So I'm using this and I'm writing with a specific pen like orange. To find the value of this x, like the point of x coordinate which divides them into two ratio. Joshua, don't write please. So how will you do this? See, there's a formula x is equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. Now what does this mean? See. This m1 will multiply with this x2, making m1 x2. This m2 will multiply with this x1, making m2 x1. upon plus m1 plus m2. Did you understand? In the same way, for the y, this cross multiplication will occur. Again, m1 y2 like this m like this m1 y2 m2 y1 m1 plus m2. Understood? Yes or no? Hmm? So it will become like this m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Did you understand, guys? No. Now, how to use this formula, I'll tell you just after that. Please write it down. Now write it down, then I will tell you how to use this. Hmm? Both में better. Done? Shall I use this?
Sir, is that x comma y2 or x1 and y2
Which one?
equals the
No,
blue
x2, y2. X2, y2. X2, comma y2 like that. Shall I use this, guys? Abigail?
1 minute.
Okay, quickly do it. Tell me when you're done, okay? Say, sir, done. I said like this.
I'm done, sir.
Done? Okay. Now I'm erasing this.
Sir, 1 minute.
I hope you are understanding the concept, guys.
Done.
Jahoan, do you have any problem, beta? No?
No, sir.
Okay, good. It means that I am a good teacher. Yes? See, if you guys doesn't have any doubt, na, so there might be two possibilities. That you are understanding everything, or second possibility is you are not understanding anything. So I believe first option is correct, not the second one. You are understanding everything, yes? Yeah, good. Okay, so now we will do some example, like some questions, so that you can understand more clearly about it. So I'll write the question. You guys also write the question, but when I will write this answer, just stop it. Okay. Okay, now stop writing. Whatever you wrote, just stop writing because this is very important. If you didn't understand, then you will not understand the section formula, everything. Okay, please. So now, for example, these are the 2 points. As is the question says, there are two coordinates. The coordinates is 2 comma 6 and the second coordinates is 7 comma 3. I'll write A and B. And as the question says, are divided by the point P. This is divided by the point P and having coordinates x comma y such that the ratio are in is 2 is to 7 ratio. Did you understand, guys? Did you understand? Did you understand the diagram? Because every time you have to make the diagram. Joshua, you have to make the diagram. I will give you time to write. Okay, please don't write anything. I will give you time. Okay, because it's important. That's what I'm saying. Okay. Now I know the formula. What is the formula? Like for example, I will make again x1 y1
Sir,
x2 y2. Huh?
can we use any formula? It says there's an X formula and the Y formula.
Yes. So all of two you have to use.
Okay. For one
Now what is
question,
the
only?
for?
Two equations for
For
one question.
yes, two equation for one question. Yes, good. So now how I gave you a trick. What the trick? That you have to multiply in the cross multiply. Like if you're finding for the x, then m1 into x2, m1 x2, and then m2 into x1, m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. Did you understand, guys? No. Did you understand? Guys, please pay attention. Okay. In the same way, for the y, what will be the formula, Abigail?
Y will be m1 into y2
Hmm.
plus m2 into y1
Then
by m1 plus m2.
good. Good. Did you understand, guys? Jehovan? Did you understand the formula? Now, in the same way, we have to multiply it like this. For finding the value of x, this x, okay? So, this 2 will multiply with this 7, making like this 2 into 7. This 7 will multiply with this 2, making again 2 into 7 upon 2 plus 7, which is 9. So, x is equals to 14 plus 14 upon 9. So, x is equals to 28 by 9. This is the value of x. In the same way, for the y, this 2 will multiply with this 3, making 6. This 7 will multiply with this 6, making 42 upon 9, which is the 2 plus 7. Do you understand? So y is equals to 48 by 9. Y is equals to, this can be divided by the number of 3, it becomes 16. 16 by 3. So these are the coordinates, which is 28 by 9, comma 16 by 3. Did you understand the concept? No, still not.
Yes, sir, I understood. So, sir, m1 and m2 is not necessarily equal.
Sorry, say it again.
Like we said, right, in line AB, P divides the line
Hmm.
into m1 and m2. So, m1 and m2 don't always have to be equal.
Yeah, like in this M1 and M2 is 2 and 7 respectively. So they
Okay.
are not equal. They can be equal. They can be equal. We will have that formula also when they are equal. Basically, there is a derivation of this formula, like there is a simplification of this formula. Otherwise, all the things are based on this section formula only.
Oh,
Understood?
okay,
No.
sir. Understood.
Okay, quickly write it down. Then I will give you questions. अभी नहीं है बेटा, किसी और से ले लो, अभी सब कुछ निकालना पड़ेगा. Okay, understood, guys. Should I raise this now?
1 minute, sir.
Okay. Tell me when you're done, okay?
Done, sir.
Okay. Okay. So we did this thing. Now we'll do some questions. Okay. Now do this question. After 2 minutes, we'll do it. Okay, done. Shall I do it now? Or you want to do it by yourself, guys? You can do it by yourself, or do you want me to do it?
Sir, I'll try doing it.
Okay. You try it and then tell me the answers, and then I will tell you that is it correct or not. हाँ काफी है थोड़ा एक एक ढक्कन लेके फ्लोर पे गिरा दो वो स्लैब पे गिरा दो सब जगह पे थोड़ा थोड़ा गिरा कर और फिर इसको जोड़ के फिर झाड़ू ऐसे मल के और फिर पानी निकाल दो बस हाँ बस हाँ ये हो जाएगा हाँ हो जाएगा 10 me when you're done, okay? I'm here only. I mean, I want vitamin D.
सर मेरे को तो मेरी एक भी नहीं है सर मेरे को तो नहीं हो रही है सर मेरे को
पहले पानी डाल देते थे ना हाँ पहले पानी से वो गीला कर देते फिर कर देते तो ज्यादा सही नहीं तो बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रांग हो जाएगा नहीं पहले सारा पानी फैला दो फिर उस पर फिनाइल डाल के फिर रगड़ दो हाँ हाँ इस दोनों में हल्का हल्का कर दो डन अबिगेल जोशुआ
I'm doing the second question
No,
now.
sir.
Jahan, you did first and second both.
I got the first question as 4,6. For the second question, I got -1/5, -8/5.
Just give me a second. I'll check and then I'll tell you. What is the first question answer?
4,6.
The first you got is 4,6. Okay, and second?
-1/5, -8/5.
That's 1/5. First you got 4,5. And the second you got
4,6.
minus. Okay, first you got 4,6. And the second you got -4/5.
-1/5, -8/5.
It's not correct. Can you check some mistakes? Then I will do the question. Abigail,
Yes, sir.
what you got?
For first question, I got 4,5.
Yeah, that's correct.
Second one, I'm still doing.
Okay, Joshua, what you got?
Sir, I got 4 first. I'm still doing the first question. I didn't get it
Okay.
at first. So now only I'm understanding.
Okay. You can ask me, no? That's not what to do. Okay, do it quickly. Do it, Joshua. You have to increase your speed. Okay. Jahovan, do you got what mistake you did in first question?
Yes. In the y part digit. What's that? m1 into x1 plus m2 into x2.
You did some like m2 into x1 you have to do. No, cross multiply you have to do.
Mhm.
Okay. And second question, check it. Till then everyone is doing what mistake you did. Second question is not correct. Please check it.
Sir,
Yes.
second question I got 13 by 15. Sorry, 13 by 5.
As x
No, as y.
and x.
Minus 4.
Only -4.
Yeah. Minus 4 by 5.
Yeah. Yeah, it's correct. Johan, do you want me to do it?
Sir,
Second question? Yes, please, Joshua.
I got 20 by 5 for x and 22 by 5 for y.
In first question,
Yeah,
the x is correct, which is 20 by 5, and if you simplified it, you will get answer as 4.
yeah. I
Okay.
got 4.
Yeah, but the second question it will be 25 by 5 now. Can you check it? A mistake you did.
Okay.
Can you check? Can you check? Tell me what mistake you did.
So the formula is m1 into y2, right? The first.
M2 M1 Y2 M2 Y1 upon M1 plus M2.
Okay.
So what
I
what
wrote
numbers you multiplied?
I wrote x1 instead of y1.
Yeah, Y1. Yeah. For finding the value of Y, we take YY. That's why
Okay.
Y. Okay. Jahovan, you find the mistake or do you want me to do it? Second question, please tell me.
Very good, sir.
Huh? Oh, do you want me to do it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I'll also try to find it here.
Okay, so there are these two questions are there in which this is A coordinate, this is B coordinate, it's -1 comma 4, this is 0 comma -3, and they are in the ratio of 1:4. Okay, so now how will you multiply it? So it will become x, sorry, x is equals to, like p is the point and the x comma y they are divided. So 1 into 0 plus 4 into -1 upon 1 plus 4. So x equals to 0 minus 4 upon 5. So x is equals to -4 by 5. And for finding the value of y is equals to -3 plus 16 upon 5. Y is equals to plus 13 upon 5. This is the answer, Johan. What mistake you did? Tell me.
I think I must have mixed up between the M1 X2 and
So, like every time, see here, you can do the cross multiply like this. Will multiply like if you find the value of x, everything you will take x. So this will cross multiply with this 0. This will multiply with this -4. Cross multiply. For finding the value of y, this will multiply with this -3. 4 will multiply with the 4. Cross multiply. Understood? No. Okay. Do you want to do one more question?
Okay, sir.
Do it. Guys, Wednesday from 22 to like next week, we will have class only Monday and Tuesday. Okay? Because I am going outside for Jaipur conference. So we will have 2 days class, which is on Monday and Tuesday. Okay, guys?
Okay, so
Okay, perfect. Yeah, fine. Hmm. Okay.
एक्चुअली 10 किलो केले चाहिए 2 दिन
Done, guys? You got the answer, Jahan?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what's the answer?
2,1.
Okay. Abigail, what's the answer?
almost answer.
Okay, could you do it? I hope you are getting this, na?
Sir, I'm getting X as 2 and Y as 1.
Yeah, Y is one. Yeah, correct. Okay, so we'll end this maths class, and after 4 minutes, we'll join for the science class. Okay, so till then, just go and bring your, your sister, brother, only Jashon. So, and go for the drink water, and then come back in 4 minutes. Okay, guys, come back, come back. So today we're gonna learn about the heating effect of electric current. Okay, so everyone, please pay attention. Everyone, Abigail, Joshua, Jehoan, Joshron, everyone turn on the camera, please. Everyone turn on the camera, please. Hello, can you hear me? Am I audible? Hello. Hello, mic test. Okay. So yesterday we learned about parallel and series. Yes. And I gave you homework also. Yes. So I hope you understood the homework. Any problem in the homework? No problem. Okay. So today we will learn a new topic, and I guess it's the last topic of this chapter. Um, and it's heating effect of electric current. Heating effect of electric current. Okay. Now in this chapter, the heating effect of electric current. What does this mean? What does this mean of heating effect of electric current?
Is it like when electric current passes something gets heated?
Okay, why? Why it's heated? Okay, do exercise with me. Do one exercise with me. Okay. So everyone, just rub your hands. Just rub your hands. Everyone. Yeah, Jason, you can do it. Just rubbing your hands quickly. Quickly. Rub your hand, rub your hand, rub your hand. And when you're rubbing your hand, then you will find that your hand is now become warm. I'm doing it here because it's very cold here. But yeah, so you can if you will rub your hands, then you will find it out that your hand has become warm. Yes. Why? Because there's a friction which is working one again one. Yes. Yes or no? So in the same way, when like there is a wire from that the current should flow. But now if I will increase the current wire, if I will increase the resistance, if I will what I will do? If I will increase the resistance. So what does this happen? That electric current try to pass, resistance will say no, I won't let you pass. Electric current says I want to pass, resistance says no, I don't want to let you pass. Yes? And now because of this friction, the heat is generated. Did you understand? So there is an electric heater. I believe there is nothing like this in South, but in North there is an electric heater that we are using nowadays a lot. Okay, a lot and Abraham. So what is I'm trying to say that when the electric current is passing through that electrical heater, and the wire is called as nichrome wire. Okay, what wire it's called? It's called as nichrome wire. So that wire has a high. Oh, I this resistivity, no? Is there no resistivity topic? Okay, no resistivity topic. Perfect, perfect. Yeah, that's correct. Yeah. Sorry for that. So when the electric current is passing through high resistance, nichrome wire. So what resistance say? I don't won't allow you to go. Electric current says I want to go. I don't want. I want to go because of that. The heat is generated, and that heat is useful for us in nowadays. We are using this. Wow, wow, wow. Haha. Wow. God bless this heater. So why bless this heater? Because there is a fight going on in a nichrome wire. Did you understand, guys? No. So so basically there is an effect called as heating effect. Okay, there is an effect called as heating effect because of the electric current we are getting heating. We are getting heat and light, that is called as heating effect. So nowadays we have LED bulb, but I believe you guys saw that normal old time bulb. Did you? Old type that in Hindi which called as lattu leke aaja. So when I was like electric bulb is, I guess it's invented in 2012 around. But before that, we used to have 200-watt lattu and 700-watt lattu, 100-watt lattu. I mean the bulb. Okay, and the bulb called Surya bulb used to come at that time. So that is my childhood time. So, but what was I am trying to say? Nowadays we are getting 9-watt LED bulb, okay, to 5-watt LED bulb. But in previous time, it used to come the same light which we are getting from 5-watt electric bulb. Okay, in previous time it was 100-watt, like 100-watt electric bulb in the previous time, and today's 5-watt electric bulb. Both have same light intensity. But the 100-watt taking lot of power, taking lot of power. But the 5-watt is taking less power. So why it's so? Why it's so? Because the ancient one, okay, there is a filament called as tungsten. What? Tungsten. I'm not from Abraham's time. I'm from 2000 time. I born in 2000. So don't judge me that, sir. You saw that Moses take it them to the promised land. No, I didn't see that also. So I'm not that much old. So yeah, what was I'm trying to say? That tungsten wire, when electricity is passing, okay, it going through tungsten wire. Okay, that tungsten wire is basically heated up because of high resistance. I told you that electricity is passed through that tungsten wire. Dichrome wire is used in electrical heater, but tungsten wire is used in the bulb. So then in that bulb, when it is heated up, because of that heat, it dissipates the light. So nowadays, when you are using the LED bulb, you can remove it by your bare hands. Okay. But in the previous time, that bulb work as a heater also for the room heater, because that 200-watt bulb which we are using, it is using as a light also, and it is using as a heater also, because that is very 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 hot. You can't touch it. You need a blanket in your hand and then you can remove it. Otherwise it will burn. Okay, so what was I'm trying to say? What was Thomas Alva Edison? Who discovered the bulb? Who discovered bulb? Yeah, Abigail. Yeah, Jashon.
So
Who's saying?
Thomas Edison.
I guess, if I'm not wrong. Okay, so that principle is basically uh, uh, heating effect of electrical. Understood, guys? Okay, so before going to moving to that, we will understand what is power. So now I'm giving you 2 minutes to go and search around anything which you are using. Like you can go and search for the electric charger. Quickly go and bring electric charger right now. Quickly, quickly. Just Joshua, go and bring electric charger. Aha, Joshua sitting. Huh? Bhaiya will go and I will bring. Why will I go? Huh. Okay, you bought it? Good, good. Okay. Everyone got it? Yes. Good. So everyone got the electric charger. Now, if you will, somewhere is written like input, output. Can you see in your electric charger? Input or output somewhere else? No? Is
Yeah.
it too old?
No,
Okay.
it's written input 100 to 240 volt.
Oh, that is voltage. That is coming in your electricity, like in electric board.
Hmm.
So the electric board which you are getting from power station is 200 to 220 volt. Okay. And then next, what is written?
Output 5 volt to 1 ampere.
Ampere. So it means that your electric, the charger give 1 ampere. Is it 0 point something or 1 ampere? 1 ampere. So it means that the output which your electric charger is giving is 1 ampere to the mobile. Okay. To the mobile, it is giving 1 ampere. Then next, what is written? Anything has given? No? Anybody is any Joshua? Yeah, just Johan. What charger you have? Can you tell me?
Input is 100 to 240 volts AC. Output is
Yes.
5 volts or 2.4 ampere.
4 ampere. Okay. Anything else? Mention.
Made in India.
That's great. Joshua, do you have?
Sir, it's kind of small to read, but I think it says 200 to 240 volts.
Volt is basically the power station giving you this much volt. Like they have to put some range because sometimes voltage up, voltage down, that won't that won't what destroy your charger. That's why there's a range of 200 to 240 or 100 to 240. That's why it is recommended that if you are using your charger in the train, because train always give only 1110 volt. Train in the train when you're traveling, it's 1110 volt. So it is recommended if you're using your charger, it might get destroyed because of the less voltage. Did you understand? But
Yes,
it's
and
not that much. Yeah,
it's also given 50 or 60 hertz.
yeah, hertz. That is called as frequency. Basically, you didn't read the magnetic chapter, na? Bigil?
No.
No, no. Okay, so basically, we learned in the magnetic chapter that our AC is called as alternative current. Okay, alternating current. So in our houses alternating current is coming. So 50 hertz is means in 1 unit time there is that much alter is there, like that much frequency is there. So 50 to 60 frequency is there in 1 second. That is called as frequency. We will go in that chapter in deep, but right now just understand it like this. But what I want to tell, just give me a second. There is what is written. Yeah, now listen. Now listen, guys. Okay, can you see my picture, like display picture?
Yes.
What is it in? Can anybody read this? Can you read this? Is it visible to you? No. Okay, I will do like this. Now is it visible?
Yes.
Can you read this?
Wattage 60 watt.
Yes, 60 watt. Okay, so it means that this fan takes 60 watt. This fan takes 60 watt. I'm seeing anybody. Okay, this is not. This might not be visible. Anything else? Electric appliance that we have right now? Fridge. Okay. Okay. There is nothing here, but you can see here that this fan is taking 60 watt. Okay, 60 watt. So what does this mean? What does this mean? See, Just give me a second. Okay. Now 60 watt is basically described as the power. 60 watt is described as a what? Power. Okay. The wattage or watt is basically nothing else, but it's a power. Power is equals to 60 watt. Now there is a formula for the power. This is P is equals to V into I. P means power is equals to voltage into current. Voltage into current. Did you understand? Yes or no? Okay. Now this is 60 watt upon voltage is 220 volt, and when you will divide it, you will get answer as 6 upon 2 as a current. And when you will further divide it, it means that it means that 60 divided by 22. 2 to 0. Okay. It means that in my fan taking 0.27 ampere current to run the fan. Understood? No. Basically, power is defined as the voltage, which is 220 volt, which is coming into current. How much current is taking? Okay. So voltage into current is basically power. Okay. So now my fan take power, which is 60 watt. Watt is the unit of power. 60 watt upon the voltage, which is 220 volt, is equals to current, which is I. So I is equals to 0.27 ampere. Means my fan, which is that Havells fan, taking 0.27 ampere to run the fan, to revolve the fan. Understood?
So how did you get the volt value?
Like volt is fixed. In our houses, 220 volt is fixed. Okay, if you will see the electric bill, okay, today, go find one electric bill, send it in the group, mark the voltage. It will be written in something as 200 to 220 volt. Mark it and send me in the group. This is your homework. Okay, go search for an electric bill, check that where is 200 to 220 volt is written. Go and mark it and then send it to me. Okay, so the voltage in our houses is fixed, which is 220 volt. Okay, and all the appliances which are made, you will check. You will check the instruction like we read that they are based on 200 to 220 volt or 240 volt. Okay, every appliances are made on this. Like in India, it's 220 volt. In US, I guess it's 210 volt. Okay, so they are that much volt only to run the house. So power is equals to voltage into current. Whatever the voltage is 220 volt into current is I. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no, Joshon? Yeah? Quickly write it down.
So
Yeah.
we found an old 100-watt light bulb.
Yes. Wow. Nostalgia feeling I'm getting. Oh, wow. So, yeah. So, don't try at home. That sir said that you can't touch it after 1 hour. And you are just running it for 1 hour, and then you say, "I can touch it. I'm a Superman, or I'm a Jesus with me, I can do it. When you will touch it, then you have to say, Mama, it's burning, it's burning, it's burning, like this. It's very hot, very, very hot. It's like a taking fire in your hand. Okay, so yeah, we have that feeling.
So how do you know, sir, you touched it?
Yeah, yeah. One day, my mama says that Hardik, please remove this bulb. No, because I have good height. Okay, not that Tower of Babel height, but yeah, good height. So I have good height. So mama tell me that please remove the bulb. So I said, yeah, I can do it. Mama said, be careful. It's very hot. Why? Because right now I just switch it off. Yeah, this is nothing. It's just a because first time I was I guess in 9th class or 8th class something like. So yeah, everyone is fear. I am a Superman. I'm an Iron Man, and the Iron Man doesn't have that much that. Okay, and then I go and I touch, then I jump and jump and jump. So it means that for a half an hour I was jumping. And I told you, don't touch it with bare hand. Take some blanket. I said, I'm an Iron Man, but it's burning a lot. Then I go and then I put my hand in the ice water and that thing happened. Yeah. So I have a good experience. That's why I'm crying while seeing that bulb again because I got that feeling again. So yeah. And the from that uh, from that bulb I got burned, but after that there is a lot of bad consequences. I got beat from my mom, so that much is hurting a lot rather than the burning from the bulb. Okay, so hashtag Indian moms. Okay, so now what was I'm trying to say? Yeah, so power is equals to vi, that formula we should learn. Okay, power is equals to vi. Okay, now one more thing, we know that there is a formula from the Ohm's law which is v is equals to ir. V is equals to ir. Yes, now power is equals to vi. Now can I replace the value of v with this ir? So what will be the formula? I r into I. So P is equals to I square R. So now in this question, like why I derive this formula? Because when current is given in the question, if the question comes, says 2 ampere current is flowing through the bulb having a resistance of 40 ohm. 2 ampere current is flowing through the bulb having a resistance of 40 ohm. So what will you do? And they tell you to calculate the power. So what will you do? You will apply this formula. How? How? Power is equals to I square, which is 2 square into R, which is 40. So P is equals to 4 into 40. So P is equals to 160 watt. Like 160 watt is power which is drawing that appliance. Did you understand? No. Okay. There is one more formula. There is one more formula for that. The one more formula is, we know that power is equals to VI. Now we know that V is equals to IR. Now if I will change, if I will send the R to the left side, so it become V upon R. So V upon R is equals to I. V upon R is equals to I, like V is equals to IR is given, and I send that R to the left hand side, it become V upon R. So can I replace the value of I into this, which will make P is equals to V into V upon R. So P is equals to V square by R. This is another formula. Now, when will you use this? Now, for example, the question is saying when 1110 volt is applied, okay, uh, then 222 in the 22 ohm resistance appliances, then what will be that? So, for example, I'll write the question. Like 1110 volt is applied in the appliances of having a resistance 22 ohm. Then what will be the power? So when volt and resistance is given, like potential difference in resistance is given, then you have to apply this formula. How? P is equals to V, which is 1110 upon R, which is 20. Like V square is given, so I have to square it. So P is equals to 1110 into 1110. So this will become 22. Now this is 11 key tables se jayenge, so it become 10, it will become 2, it will become 1, it will become 5. So P is equals to 550 volt. 550 watt. W is basically called as watt, which is a unit of power. Did you understand the meaning of power, guys? Yes or no? Quickly do it. Done? Guys, did you understand the concept of power? Now, when you will sing, there is a power in the name of Jesus, break every chain, then don't calculate, okay, Jesus, what is voltage, what is current? I have to calculate the power. Yeah, don't say like this, okay? Okay. Uh, so, so I'm just joking, okay? Don't tell mamas about my bad jokes, okay? I know I'm not a good comedian, but yeah.
Sir, I like your jokes, sir.
Oh my god. You will get two plus 2 marks, extra marks from my side.
No, even if you don't give me marks, I still like your jokes. Because I'll try to make jokes like this, and my friends will be like, so lame the jokes you're making. Like, not in a bad way, they'll say it in a funny way.
Yeah. Wow, wow. Tell your friend to join NXT classes. Hashtag advertisement.
Yeah, yeah, sir. I would love it if they did that, but they are all going to school. So
Oh, that's cool. Okay, done?
yes, sir.
Done, everyone done? Okay. Now, now what we will learn. Okay. Do you know electric bill used to come? Okay, so we'll discuss about some electric bills. Okay, I am paying, like, because I am living alone in my rented apartment, so I am getting nearly about 1,000 rupees as an electric bill. Okay, okay, and how much you are getting, Joshua? Do you have any idea about that? How much electric bill you come every month? Any not fixed value, but approx value.
2000,
Yeah,
I think 2003.
2,000. 2,300. Okay. Jehoan, do you have any idea how much electric bill comes?
Around 400 rupees.
Wow, 400 rupees.
Solar panels and all.
Okay, you have solar panels. That's great. That's great. Wow, wow, wow. That's great. Okay, Abigail, how much you're getting?
No idea, sir.
No idea. Ask Mama na after the class that how much you're getting. So basically, how this electric bill calculated? How this electric bill calculated? Okay, it is basically like for example, you are using the bulb, okay, 200 watt bulb, okay. So now you are using for 1 hour, for 2 hour, for 6 hours in a day. For example, 6 hour in a day. Okay. So that will consume some electricity, some power, sorry, some ampere, some current. Okay. So basically, in our houses, the electric bill which is coming every month, it's basically power, how much power you're consuming. So in your house only one bulb is not the power which is consuming. Fridge is there, fridge is there, TV is there, mobile charging is there, and geyser, like in North India right now, geyser is there, AC, tube light, or what you're using, oven, and am I forgetting? Hmm?
Piano.
Sorry.
Piano.
Piano, fan. Yes, I am good. So these things we are using. So it means that in one day we are using a lot of power. Yes, we are using a lot of power. So the for the electric bill, it's power into time. Power into time. Power into time. So it means that it means that like for example, I am using yeah, but one condition is there. Sorry. One condition is there, that the power should be in kilowatt and the time should be in hour. And the time should be in hour. So how to change a watt into kilowatt? How to change a watt into kilowatt? By dividing 1,000. By dividing 1,000. Okay. When you divide a watt, when you will divide a watt value divided by 1,000, then you will get kilowatt. Okay. Did you understand? Yes or no? And the time should be in hour. The time should be in hour. So for example, we'll take one example. A refrigerator takes 500 watt. A refrigerator takes 500 watt. For example, we are taking a refrigerator takes 500 watt. Okay. And it is working 24 hours. Yes, it is working 24 hours. So 24 hours. And we have to calculate the bill in the month of January, because January is there. So January. So first of all, we have to change this power into kilowatt by dividing by 1,000. So power is equals to 500 watt, and when you will divide it by 1,000, 500 divided by 1,000, this and this and this and this will cut. So it will become P is equals to 0.5 kilowatt. P is equals to 0.5 kilowatt. Did you understand, guys? Did you understand? Now, P is equals to 0.5 into 12 into 31. Why I multiply 31? Because 31 days are there. In January, how many days are there? 31 days are there. That's why I multiplied by 31. If 30 days are there, then we will multiply by 30. Okay.
Why,
If 28 days are there, then I will multiply by 28. Yes, Jahan.
sir, why did you put 12 instead of 24?
Oh, sorry, not 12. 12. So 24. Okay. So when you will multiply it, it will become 12 into 31. And when you will multiply it, so you will get answer as 12 into 31 is 372. So it means that power is equals to 37, not power, it's basically electrical energy. We can write electrical energy. E dot E, which is electrical energy. So 372 kWh. Now basically this is called as units. like 372 units. Units. Basically, kWh, when we change the watt into kilowatt and the time in hour, that kWh is basically called as unit. So 1 kWh is equals to 1 unit. 2 kWh is basically 2 unit. So 372 kWh is equals to 372 unit. Did you understand, guys? Yes. Now, different states government charge different units. Basically, in my Rajasthan, okay, the cost 1 unit cost is rupees 7. 1 unit cost is 7. Now there is a second homework. Find it out in your electrical bill and find it that how much your government is charging for 1 unit. Okay, for 1 unit, how much is charging? Okay, you can go in electrical bill. If you're not finding an electrical bill, then you can go and search in the Google. But first, electrical bill. Okay, now 1 unit is equals to 7 rupees. So 372 into 7. When you multiply it, it will become 4, then 150, then 520. So 2604. It means that 2604 rupees I am getting for the fridge only. Oh my god. Did you understand? 2604 rupees I am getting for the fridge only. So I took the 500 watt, it is lot of power. It is lot of power. Basically, fridge used to come around 200 or something. I don't but it's very low. Okay. Did you understand? That's why there is a 3-star, 4-star, 5-star. Why? Because 5-star, less voltage or less electricity usage, then you can use it. Did you understand, guys? Did you understand the concept of power? Now take screenshot and write it down at your home to understand this thing, and then we'll move. We will meet tomorrow. Okay. So quickly take screenshot and then listen my outro, and then you can leave. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Tata, bye bye. Shabai.